Hello, everybody. We've got another unboxing. I mentioned we had a B case and a C case, and sandwiched in the middle is this US L2593 977. We'll just disregard that. We'll disregard this. It's the B and the C. I believe this is a B case. Could be a C case. I also believe it is a GameStop case. Now, you're looking at the title of this video, which I have not made yet. See, that's the weird thing about making videos. You're seeing a video made. I'm making a video that hasn't been made yet. So what I don't know is what's in here. I'm assuming GameStop. You're seeing the title, so I should stop debating with this, with the universe on what this is and just get it open. The GameStop event, well, let's just open it first. See if we're even talking about it, because I know the GameStop event is coming up. It's not really an event. I don't know if these will be in stores at all, but I know that you can buy them online. When, where, and how, I understand it's a GameStop site, but I don't know when. That will clearly be announced by the Hot Wheels crew whenever that time comes. So that's all the details. Let's see if I'm right. It does look like a B case, doesn't it? And yeah, GameStop. We're looking at GameStop. Oh boy. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Because I'm seeing it. All right, let's get to this. Hooray, hooray, hooray. I'm very excited. Very excited about the GameStop models too, but well, let's just get right to it, right? Okay. Always fun to open up cases and see things like we just saw. All right, let's just walk right through them. I will point out the GameStop. I'll try and keep this in the proper light. Mighty K, that's Ryo Asada's. We'll point out Ryo's rides. This is a holdover from the A case. This does look like a B case. Well, I know it is based on what we just saw. Volkswagen Beetle, open that in the B case as well. And there is your first GameStop exclusive, which is the 2020 Toyota Gr Supra. So the GameStop exclusives are going to be 2021 models. Everything else in this case should be 22, considering it's a B case. So this is the third color of the Greddy Gr Supra. Right, we had white, yellow, and now we have black. So that one is cool to see. We'll move that in the highlight pile. Standard cart from Mario Kart, 57 Chevy in red. There is the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. That is your second exclusive from the GameStop cases. What did we have? Was it just one color or two? I know one was yellow. That might be the only color. You guys will have to remind me, but... little unprepared, right? But there it is. It's the Kenmary Skyline. Love this casting and really dig this color. Trying to show it off in the sunlight here. Really, really nice color in this kind of aqua green or whatever you want to call it. And I love the gray lace wheels on it. Could do without the stripes, but I like the color combination on that one. Highlight pile you go. Should be two of each of the GameStop exclusives in here. And there's our second Skyline. Sandwiched in between the 57 Chevy and the Disney Steamboat. So we'll move that exclusive over. All B cases, 70 Pontiac Firebird. We talked about this one. It is the Legends winner. That is in the B case. So is the second version of the Tesla Cybertruck and the Ford Focus RS. 1970 Pontiac Firebird, Ford Focus RS, and the Street Cleaver. So two of the Firebird, right? So we got that. Here's our, okay, we got the other two right here of the exclusive. So there's the Jeep Gladiator. We'll move that out of the way. And we'll look at the other two. We'll start with this, the Range Rover Classic. So first one is in red. This was in the final case of 2021. This is the recolor in white. Really dig the off-road styling in this one. iBike Deco. I just talked to the iBike guys. Say they have a few in their possession of this particular model, which I love it. Dimitri Dima designed this one. Looks awesome. I like it in white better than I like it in red, but I like the white version better. I'm collecting that one so far. And then this is the Aston Martin V12 Speedster, also in the final case, in the Q case of 2021. In red, silver was the first one. Casting doesn't do much for me, but it is an exclusive, and it goes into the highlight pile. All right. Bricking Trails, Locomotoring, and the Flyby. Oh, we're getting a third exclusive. Look at that. I won't complain, because these exclusives, you got to go to GameStop to get them. So we're getting three? I don't know. There's the Aston Martin, so there's the second version of that, and there's the second version of the Supra, all going in the pile. And there we go. Third version of the Aston Martin, third version of the Supra, and there's the locomotor. And, you know, these cases actually showed up by mistake, and I don't know how many more, at Kroger stores, and people said there were a cajillion exclusives. So maybe they are going 3 per case. Maybe they're going 4, right? How many Aston Martins do I have? There's the 4th Aston Martin. So they are loading up on these cases. And you know what? Might as well. I mean, considering these are hard to get, you may not be into the Aston Martin, but you know, you could go to any store when these typically come out and get these anywhere. All right, we saw it. Let's just see what's in that final batch. But you know, we're going to skip ahead. There is the 3rd Range Rover. We'll count all these when we get going. There's the Mercedes-Benz A-Class, and there's the Ram 1500 Rebel. But I've been trying to concentrate on this unboxing, knowing that that was sitting in there. I looked, I didn't see bright yellow, I saw gold. I opened up the B case before, pulled out the regular yellow BMW. I didn't get one in this case. I got the Super Treasure Hunt, and there is not a complaint in the world that I got it. I am so excited. A case was the Chevy, right? Hopefully I get that because I need to have all these for the Lamley Awards at the end of the year. There's the Batmobile. We'll get that out of the way. No idea if we saw a regular Treasure Hunt in there. But there is the Super Treasure Hunt. So a couple of things. There's the Super Treasure Hunt for us to look at. Looks so cool in gold. That's what I love about doing the yellow cars when they turn them into Supers. They turn them gold, which I think looks awesome. It's also a casting that I mentioned in the video that I love. Let's see if I can find. I've got that B case here. It's Retro Racers. Let's see if I can find that car. There it is. There's the regular version. Right there. But it also means that if you do get the GameStop case, there is a chance that you will pull the Super Treasure Hunt. Obviously, not all of them will have it by any means, but there you go. Really, really dig this casting. I am so happy I've got this one. There you go. Put that one over here in the B case. Let's do the count here. So, in terms of exclusives, at least in this case, Skyline... We got a lot of Aston Martins. There's the Supra. So not scientific here, but we got 3 Supras, 2 Range Rovers, 4 Skylines, which is my favorite of the 4, and then 4 Aston Martins. So everyone can be different. As you order these, share them with me. Share them if you get one, if you get lucky on one of these. But yeah, very, very cool. That's a GameStop case. I got the Super. I'm stoked. You guys tell me what you think. Going Skyline is my favorite, and then I'll take that. Thanks, everybody. C case is next. Bye.